Hello, welcome to the Yeti Blue Series microphone review. Now, I did a unboxing video which has a few details within there which you might want to check out. I'm going to put a link in the description box down below, or in the comments, wherever it allows me these days. But anyways, I just want to go through here. This is what the microphone looks like. On the front there's a mute button. You can hook a headset into the bottom, which is excellent because you really don't want your speakers making noise and stuff when you're trying to do a recording, so you can adjust the volume on your headset with that one. And really the important stuff is on the back of the microphone. There you will find the gain control and also the pattern selection. Now, the gain control, if you don't know what that is, it's basically, you might have to do a little bit of experimentation. I want to keep this simple. There's ways to figure this stuff out. There's more advanced ways of doing this, but if you plug in your headset, you just want to make sure you can hear it nicely in your headset. Start with the gain control. Let's turn this around. Start with the gain in about the middle, and I find in most situations, when it's in about the center, maybe a little bit higher, works great. If you're far away from the mic, you'll need the gain will have to be turned up. If you're close to the mic, the gain will have to be a little bit lower, but again, that depends on volume. Turn this back around. The whole point of my video, which I have at the end, I have some examples. I have the Yeti mic compared to my camera microphone, compared to my headset microphone. So that was one of the things that I want to investigate. Basically, there's three microphones in this unit. One faces directly forward, so when you're speaking, you always want to talk straight at the mic, not into the top. And there's one on each side here that face a little bit slightly backwards. We'll get into why they're set up like that. I'm going to start down here, the bidirectional. When it's set on bidirectional, basically that would be great for doing a one-on-one with someone on opposing sides. So yeah, interviews. Be good for instruments and stuff like that too. The omnidirectional, that's great for, well, as they suggest here in conference calls. But it's also, there's many purposes that you're not restricted to these things. You have to do some experimentation. Depends what's going on in the environment. And this cardioid, if I've said that properly, that's what I'm on right now. So that's something where you know, if you're making a YouTube video or doing some sort of podcast, that's the perfect setting. The stereo setting, now that one, I'm just going to do a little demo on that. Okay, it's on stereo setting, and what that's going to do for you, it works really neat. So if you have a stereo system or stereo speakers, you may be able to tell the difference and stuff. But yeah, that's a pretty cool little setting. So, I don't know, so far I'm very satisfied. I mean, there's a lot of options. It's kind of a, I don't know, very unique little microphone. I think it will serve me well. And as I say, stick around at the end. I have some comparisons. And, you know, it comes with a very simple manual, some tips, tricks, frequently asked questions. So yeah, I don't know. At this point, I would recommend it. I'm pretty happy so far. And there is a difference in sound qualities, but I mean, it's all in the ear of the beholder. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe if you'd like some more, or at least give me a thumbs up. I also make many home how-to videos to help you save money. That's my biggest thing. How to do things on your own. But anyways, take care. Thanks for watching. Stick around. Right after this, I have some samples.
So, what can I do with a Yeti? In short, anything. Remember that there are no rules in recording, only guidelines. If it sounds good, then it is good.
Let's see, here's the line. So what can I do with a Yeti? In short, anything. Remember, there are no rules in recording. So what can I do with a Yeti? In short, anything. Remember, there are no rules in recording, only guidelines. If it sounds good, then it is good. There, little quick test.